Welcome to Miami. I'm going there New Year's Eve. Your captain speaking, Captain Shelton Inu. Right at your service. I'm going to use my cryptocurrency of Kishu. Remember, they have that partnership with Traveler.com, and you can use cryptocurrency to travel to basically anywhere that Traveler can go. And let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Your captain speaking right now. So look at this. I'm looking at a beachfront studio place in Miami around New Year's Eve to celebrate my 𝐭𝐨𝐮𝐫. Absolutely. And it looks pretty good. And so what I'm looking at, I'm like, okay, let's check out one of these rooms here. So let's say if I book this one right here, the deluxe studio, and the price is $6 for 58, and 𝐭𝐨𝐮𝐫 right now is still increasing in price. So what I'll probably do is wait a little bit longer until 𝐭𝐨 goes up in price. Then I'm gonna go strike pretty big on a Miami Beach type place. So what I'm looking at is something very practical, very adventurous, very fun by using my cryptocurrency, because I'm a hodler. I'm an investor. I'm a person who's patient, a person who accumulates, the person that's going to go to Miami in New Year's Eve. Yes. So let me go back down here and check this out. All I have to do is fill out this information, and you can do it too if you feel like doing it. And look at this credit card. Obviously, that's the most traditional way of paying. But the new way of paying on travel destination and travel accommodation is crypto. If I click on there, I can use obviously other ones like XRP and Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Tron. There's several other ones on here that has a partnership with Traveler.com. But the brand new one on here, probably one of the most underrated asset, one of the most lowest asset that has a lot of room to grow, is Kishu. Now I'm Captain Inu that I'm calling myself because I like the Inu coins. I do, along with other ones as well. So all I have to do is click on 𝐭𝐨𝐮𝐫 and we all set. Complete the reservation. But I got a strategy. I got a strategy on when I'm going to strike with this. I'm going to wait till I get to a certain price, then I'm going to strike hard. Not financial advice. I just want to share with you a use case, what you can do with your 𝐭𝐨𝐮𝐫. And I'll have another video of what you can do with your Shiba. So you definitely want to watch that video coming up later on. Now, if I go back to Traveler.com, not only can I use the hotels, but I can book flights. I can book a flight. So I'm saying if I want to go to Hawaii, if I want to go to Los Angeles. So let's say here, I live in Daytona, and I go to Daytona Beach, and it's going to go ahead and select that. So Daytona. And if I say, you know what, I want to go to Los Angeles, Hawaii, or even New York. Hey, I want to go to New York. Or better yet, yeah, New York. Let's see what they have in New York. So if I want New York here, if I click there, let's say the dates of, I'm just making dates, making it up. And if I select there, it's going to give me flight destinations over there. And so the traditional way is credit card, debit card. I get it. And let's say, all right, I want to use the American Airlines for this. I know 428 or even Delta. Let's try American Airlines. We're just using this as an example as well. So if I say select the flight and select this flight, I'm just making an example how we're going to do this. And so if I say I just want to go to New York, I like this flight, this is what I'm going to do. I paid the $331. I don't want to use my credit card. Listen to this. I can use my 𝐭𝐨𝐮𝐫 to be able to book this, no question whatsoever. Just like I showed you there. All I have to do is fill this out, and then it'll come to a page that look like this of how I can go ahead and book that flight. The same thing on activities. If I go back here, I can go to activities and select activities that Traveler has to offer. It's called activities area. So all I have to do is find amazing things to do anytime, anywhere. So if I say zoo, and say I want to go to the zoo, it's going to show me different zoos. San Antonio Zoo, it's going to show me Dubai Zoo. I click there, boom. Click there. You know what? Set some zoo up. It's $25 for the San Antonio Zoo general admission ticket. And I can select here. Boom. Look at that. Number of travelers. Let's say it's 2 people. Apply. and then I go ahead and can pay with my Kishu Inu eventually with this performances here. I'll go and click on book. I just want to show you how this works here. And once again, I'll fill out this information, but look at cryptocurrencies, go all around the Kishu Inu or any other cryptocurrency you decide to select with. So if you have some of these, you can take advantage of Harmony, of Litecoin. I do have some of these like Litecoin, Dogecoin. I do have that in my portfolio, but I'm really interested in Kishu because I see a lot of upside with the price and what they're doing with their marketing. I'm telling you, Kishu Inu is definitely an underrated coin with traveler.com, which is definitely, I appreciate you from the captain of allowing this to happen. So that's a couple of use cases you can do with this. You saw the zoo, you saw the flight, and you saw the hotel in Miami. Yes, I'll be in Miami New Year's Eve. That is the plan. So take a look at Kishu. I understand that, you know, it's going up and down in price. It may be outside your thinking capacity, but anytime I can use my cryptocurrency to do different things other than just hold with it or cash out, I can use this for other use cases, sign me up. Absolutely. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. How do you get Kishu Inu? I was asked this the other day. You can get it on Uniswap. So if I go here and I got Uniswap, you get it on Uniswap, very simple, by swapping off Ethereum for Kishu. And all you have to do is go to Uniswap. You can download it on your mobile device. Go to your Play Store if you're Android, Apple Store, App Store if you have an iPhone. You just download it and you can basically connect it with your wallet, just like this. If I change this, Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, it will work. I suggest with Kishu, either MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet, but I'm a big fan of Coinbase Wallet because it connects it with an exchange of Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. So all I have to do is say, okay, I want to get to Kishu, maximize. I can go ahead and swap my Ethereum for Kishu just like that. That's simple. And I can get that. I had a little Ethereum there to swap out for. That's one of the most easiest way to doing it. You can get it on Shiba Swap as well, Uniswap, or you can get it on Qcoin as well. There's other exchanges you can get it on, but I like swapping it. I'm kind of a swap kind of guy. So your captain speaking. I'll talk to you later. Click on the link below. Check out traveler.com and check out Uniswap, Shiba Swap to get Kishu. Not financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm doing, and I want to help you as well. I'll see you in the next video.